Hello, this is Gary, Keyman for You Farm. Another day in paradise, Paradise Farm. Eventually I'll get around to stop saying Keyman for You Farm, but it's such a habit. Yeah, my neighbor on here in Florida is having lights. He puts this is the second season of putting lights up in their field, and this is what he does. And he gave me permission to post it and put it on my website, and this is going to be posted for kids, as well as I'm going to put it on Facebook also. So it's going to be on my website and Facebook both. Really pretty at night. This is their first night. It'll run through at least December. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Got deer made up, lights on the tree. Of course, you can't see it this far back, so I'm going to try to get close enough so you can see. If you look, there's the lights on the tree, and if you look up close enough, don't know if you can see it, but there's somebody up in that tree. I don't know if you can see it. I got a tree blind stand there, and anyways, you got a there. Got their pen for their pet puppies that are for sale, and German Pyrenees, so cross. So they're selling those. They got a bunch of little puppies here. There's the puppies, all wanting to say hello. How are you? And we got their goats. I got goats that they have here. They got little jackets on the goats. Don't know if you can see that. See if I can get the headlight on. Oh, didn't want that. I don't want that. There's that. I should have had to set up for the lights. Alright, well, I guess I'm going to have to see what that will do. No, I'll have to stop the video and continue it so I can get the light on it. Oh, I know. I got something else to do just as good. Can you see that? There's the goats. It's 3 for sure. Thought there was 4. Move on. These are all just tree decorations. He's got fire. And if you're in Florida, you can come see this. And text me and I will give you your address. Otherwise, enjoy the lights as I walk around. I have permission from him to do this. Why not? It's my neighbor, and they do this now, second year of just putting lights up. People come drive up, There's Joseph and Mary and a baby with an angel. Joy to the world. There's a building lights. 3 crosses representing Christ's death and the cross from humanity for all our sins. And then we got here's snowmen and deer in the back and presents. They have horse ride, or horses here anyways. I don't know about the horse rides, but they do have a hay ride set up for people to take if they want to do a hay ride. There's the horses. Oh, hi, guy. Remember me? You do? Yeah. These are horses come over to my house when they get out, and they like to eat in my grass. So, yes, they're right up the street from me. That's why I'm particular about not giving out their address, because it gives you where I live, and I am where the farm is at. I am particular about who gets access to that. So, anyways, that pretty much covers it. You have a great day, great night. See you later.